You won't believe our strawberry harvest. I made this with simple PVC gutters. Just add soil, plant, and watch them thrive.
Tired of having no space to grow your own food? Let's turn this problem into a bountiful solution. This is a vertical gutter garden. It transforms any narrow space into a high-yield strawberry wall. The secret starts with a specialized capillary wicking system inside each gutter. We use charred rice husks and coco peat to ensure consistent moisture and prevent root rot. This gravity-fed system maximizes nutrient delivery, forcing plants to produce heavy clusters of fruit. The result? A massive harvest in a minimal footprint, right in the heart of the city. Ready to build your own? Follow for more space-saving gardening hacks.